Kids. Today, I'm going to call you Super Nature Kids because we are going to be studying nature. I bet you didn't know this. I bet you thought that moss was actually dry and damp, but it is actually pretty soft. Now let's keep exploring. Come on! Hey, science kids. We studied moss now, just a minute ago. Now, I bet you didn't know this, but there's actually such thing as white trees. Awesome, right? And I don't mean when there's snow on them. I mean white leaves. Look at that. I think this is like a new development of trees.
Mommy.
Okay, now we're going to move on to the next study. Right now it's spring. As you see, there's baby trees growing. Hey, Super Study Kids. This is the bark from a white tree. Have you ever seen the inside of it? As you see, normal trees have brown bark, but the inside of this white tree is brown bark.
Do you remember what kind of tree it is?
No.
Birch.
And this is a birch tree's skin. Let's see ya on the next exploration, but we're still not ending this video. Hey, Super Science Kids, have you ever seen fungus? As you see, there's a little bit of a rainbowish fungi. I'll see you on the next exploration, but still in this video. This is a long one, I know, but maybe in this video we might skip some of it. Hey, Super Science Kids! Well, this is another exploration. Have you ever seen a stump like this from a dead tree? Let me guess. The answer is no, because these are the roots of the tree. This is a knocked down stump. I'll see you on the next exploration, but we're still continuing. Okay. Hey, Science Kids, did you ever see this kind of bug before? Look at it. I hope it's still alive.
I think it's playing dead. Don't touch it. Maybe it will wake up.
It's playing dead. Oh my god. This is like the coolest bug. Mommy. Well, she said to stop making noise.
So what do you think about this bug? Are you going to tell me about it?
Yeah. It looks like a black beetle a little.
It looks like an ant a bit, but it's like blue.
Hey, Super Science Kids. So, I know that we already learned about this bark, but here's something I didn't know. When you peel the skin off, there's actually, peel the layers off, they're actually different colors. I'm actually going to try pulling this pink layer off and see what happens. More pink, except lighter. This is sort of like purple. You know that the bark of the white tree,
Birch tree,
also known as the toilet paper tree, it's actually as thin as paper, and you make paper with it. So if you ever see birch tree skin laying on the ground, bring it home and color on it. So
It's me, his dear letter again.
So see right up there, all those little leaves and white stuff. Those are chrysalises. Those are caterpillars transforming into butterflies. Hey, Super Science Kids, I know you had fun adventuring with me today, so I'm probably going to make some more nature videos. I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye, have fun, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Have any questions? Send it in the chat box below. See you on my next exploration.